Have you thought about buying some Louis Vuitton giant handbags? Well, I have a couple unboxing for you to do. Shout out to Mark. Without him, I wouldn't be able to get hold of these bags. You know, I went to Fashion Island the first week they launched the bags, and when I went there was just nothing left. Everything was gone. So now I have it. I have the most popular Louis Vuitton style of handbag, and I can't wait to show you. So I'm so excited. This is gonna be the first time I open this box, and I can't wait. Maybe we'll start with this small leather goods that I got, which is like a little wallet to match this bag. So let's open it. Shout out to Mark. Hi Mark, thank you so much. And I had a conversation with him regarding my long-term plan to buy and collect Louis Vuitton bags and whatever else I like from there, and he actually is willing to go with me long-term on this journey. So I'm so happy, you know, that I met someone in Louis Vuitton that actually understand what I like to do and what I want to do and what I want to buy from the brand. So it's, I think, very important to have a CA that can relate to you and actually listens to you and show you, you know, some items that I might like based on him getting to know my style. So it's very important. But yeah, let's do it now. Oh my god, I don't know, but this is a cutie, my little wallet. So it's so nice. It's just like a little card holder with one and two compartments, and then there's like 3 slots on each side, so you could put 3 cards on each side. So 3 there, and then 3 over here, and then another one in the middle. So it's got quite a lot, and yeah, you could actually put some coins there too if you want, and some paper bills in the bigger compartment. And of course it comes with this coin little barcode for this item and this one. So it's made of cowhide leather, and it has a coated fabric. So yeah, it's just so cute. I can't wait to pair this with the actual bag. So I know, can you guess which one it is? And do you have one like this? Let me know in the comment below. So see what your experience are for this new collection. So let's see. I can't wait. I'm actually going to the Louis Vuitton event after this, so I'm already dressed up for it. But oh, how exciting! Are you excited? Oh my god! Actually, this is the very first Speedy bag that I bought for myself from Louis Vuitton, and I'm so happy and delighted. This is just so cute, so adorable. Well, this is a Speedy 25 in the reverse giant monogram collection. It's a bandouliere. So some people are worried about this part getting patina, so I'm kind of worried too. And I guess you could like spray it with some leather conditioner. I don't know, I've heard some people do that so they could preserve it, or actually if it might look good, I might wrap it with a twillies. We'll see. And it's got its little strap here. So Mark have already taken out the plastic and put it together for me while we are at the store. So yeah, so it will look like this with the strap. It's really cute. So yeah, it's adorable. You could use it as a handle bag. It's still really cute doing it this way, wearing it this way. And yeah, I liked how this logos are really huge, you know. It's so cute. It's very different for LV. So inside is just the same, you know, with this little barcode and this. So this is also made of cowhide leather, and it has coated fabric exterior and a cotton lining inside, and it's got the little book for how to care for it. So yeah, and of course you got this hardware here inside that says LV, and just one little pocket here. So it comes with its let's see, comes with the little locks. Yeah, so here it is, some little locks, padlock and the key. So I guess you put it together. Okay, so yeah, that's how it's gonna be. So what you think, guys? How are you going to pair this with your outfit? What are you gonna wear? Are you gonna wear jeans with it? I think it could be casual or like a daily work bag. So this is my second Speedy. My mom gave me my first Speedy from my aunt. And what else can I find here? Where there's some logo in their buttons and a big opening here. It's really adorable. It's really cute. It matches this, and so here it is. Are you ready to go with me? I could use this shopping, take it with me to work, or you know, some outdoor activities. Yeah. All right, I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe and like my video. And if you are interested with shopping and fashion, how to style, this might be the right channel for you. I want you to join my group so we can be friends and share with me what you like, what you buy, and let me know if there's any bags that you'd like me to review or show you. If I have it, then I would do that. So yeah, and don't forget to say hi at my Instagram account, Zona Loves. So yeah, I can't wait to be your friend, and I'm so excited. So I upload videos like these, fashion, style, and just fun things in life. All right, well, have a good day, and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. I love you.